Dogs are known for their learning abilities, love of play, and social behavior. In nature, a horse is a resident of large, open spaces, of steppes or prairies, escaping in case of danger by means of flight. Ducks are medium-sized and small birds, with a relatively short neck and a tarsus covered in front with transverse shields. The color of the plumage is diverse. Cows are docile cattle. They feel good as part of the herd. But in a small farm, they are kept one at a time, which does not affect the condition of the animal in any way. A cat is a social animal that uses a wide range of sound signals for communication as well as pheromones and body movements.